Hey Deep Gators, it's me Deep Life back again with another video, and this time I'm vlogging again. So here I am in my college. These are all the forums that exist in our college, and our college has around 40 plus forums. These are all the prizes that our college has earned, and all this is being showcased because NAC is attending our college. NAC is actually a society which gives accreditation to colleges. So these are the various forums. So there are around 40 plus forums, and there is a Ganesh statue situated over there. So we'll go and check that out. Some blessings for my subscribers. So you can check that statue out. It's a Ganesh statue. So yeah, these are the various prizes that our college has earned throughout the years. Look how beautiful they are. Huge trophies. So much dedication, so much hard work might have gone into earning these. So these are all the various equipments that our college has set up for us. College has been even painted recently, so there are many things going on. So these are the various equipments that have been set up. Yeah, some machines to do crunches. So most of the equipment here I see is for regular basic exercise, and some students are there to welcome us. क्या कर रही है पब्लिक?
So you are going to vlog that way? Are you serious right now?
No, I am going to try to vlog in हिंदी. आज हम हिंदी में vlog करेंगे.
हाँ, कसम संवाद आता. चलो.
तो देख सकते हैं आप, ये दो इंसान, एक स्त्री और एक पुरुष जा रहे हैं ऊपर की ऊपर की तरफ जा रहे हैं.
Ola, not Uber.
ओला ओला.
And both of them, Uber or Ola, no one has paid us. So yeah, we are just getting a cab.
So we are here today guys at Ant Chili's, and it is a restaurant of our fellow Your Indian Consumer subscribers. Yeah, today we'll be enjoying our lunch over here. So let's see how it goes. And Deepika is feeling cold because of the AC.
Copyright.
Very damn.
Now this, my friends, is called as a bao. Emperor's fried rice.
This will be all the meat inside.
Rajat ka I put a meat chicken. And this is what rice? Jasmine rice.
जॅस्मिन.
Yeah, it is a bit sticky.
तिळ टाकली होती त्यांनी, भाजलेली तिळ आहे ना ती.
Oh, sure.
And look at the beautiful lighting that is going on, so many different colors, and this is the CST station, and yeah, it really is beautiful during night, and that is the Bruhan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika Mukhyalay. So yeah, that is the place where my dad used to work, and he worked for a pretty long time. And so we are going to Kala Ghoda, and I have come out of the station from there. So much of rush. From CST station to the Kala Ghoda, it is a 20-minute straight walk, and in between you can see various sellers selling stuff. So there are mobile case sellers, there are belt sellers, some electronic appliances being sold, some bags are being sold. So everything you will find here in cheaper rates. Most of the things that are being sold are in cheaper rates. Most of the first copies that are being sold, some ties are being sold. These are first copies, so I really don't encourage you to buy them, and they may not be that durable, and if you buy cheaper quality sunglasses, your eyes might hurt. Just adding some flash to the video because I love flash, and flash make the video more beautiful. And some more ties, and some more jeans, and some more clothes, and pens, more pens. So here we are, after walking for around 15 odd minutes. We have reached the Kala Ghoda festival. There is some frisking that will be going on, and after that we'll be entering inside, and I'll show you around. So I entered from there, and security is pretty tight as always. And there is the Kala Ghoda. It is a symbol of the Heritage Art District of Mumbai, commissioned by the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, funded and erected by the Kala Ghoda Association. Look what I found, guys. So I am Yamaraj Padare idhar. He's pretty scary. Yeah, I don't want to die. See, there's a tank. There's a freaking tank. There is oil, there is fuel in it, and wow, it is pretty gigantic. You can scale me with it. It is really that big. Pretty well made, and I'm seeing a lot of horses here. So seeing a tank is really special. So यहाँ उसके ऊपर एक सिपाही बैठा है, and he's monitoring the tank. Cool, if you touch the tank it fires, and maybe everything is connected. That is so cool. That is so freaking cool. There's a monkey, and I have just spotted a monkey. Damn. So there is a Kala Ghoda in the background, and it is made out of thread. So yeah, pretty creative artistic things going on. There are staircases that have been painted and people are sitting over there. So yeah, there's a spot you can go sit and relax. Then I see something made out of wood and thread. This might be some kind of machine that makes cloth. We used to call it a charkha, I guess it is charkha. Krishna Kanhaiya ke saath vlog. So yeah, this is written, and then there is this artwork, and there are lights that have been put inside it, and these were bottles cut out in half, and those were installed and they were lighting inside. And there is some kind of tree over there. There are 3 human figures and tentacles coming out, and there are hands. There are some crazy hands, and this is a beautiful specimen, something creative. I don't know who will be explaining this to me. Can you explain this to me?
Organ donation.
Okay, you can register them. And every artwork here has some value inside it, some message inside it. So I really urge you guys to ask the people, not be shy, and decipher it. And that is what will give you the exact meaning. So skinny people are easier to kidnap, eat more and donate more. So here is the artwork, and here is the desk of organ donation, skin donation, everything that a human being can donate, you can donate it here. So I regularly donate blood, and that is something that you guys should do. So there is a huge rocking horse, and this is really cool, and I always wanted to do this since I was a kid. So even there's a smaller version, and it is for kids, but people are going there and enjoying themselves. Way to Bhaikala Zoo. And the flying horse, another artwork. So many beautiful artworks are here in the festival. There are also various stalls being put up, and you can buy stuff from there. So really cool stuff and cool artwork is being sold on those stalls. So yeah, you can go and check out all these stalls and buy some stuff from there. So there is a horse within all these threads, and I guess even this is a horse made out of coal. I don't see a horse in that actually. I really don't see a horse in that. There are many horses that have been put up here. Even there is a steel horse over there. There are many horses being put up in the show. So many horses are being depicted because it is Kala Ghoda festival. And again a horse over there. A horse is made out of cans. Kind of marketing going on. Yes, so a horse made up of cartons of hinga powder. And there is also a fire truck. So in case something goes wrong and there's an emergency, and there's a whole freaking tree with bulbs on it. So yeah, there are various stalls. Some are selling t-shirts, some are selling books, some are selling paintings, and some are selling various handicraft materials. So you can come check it out. If you like it, you can buy it from here. You buy it, it will be an encouragement to all these people. So I was really in doubt, what the hell is this thing? So karaoke is going on, and 90s ke gaane idhar baj rahe. You can go and sing and enjoy. So yeah, my camera's battery is about to die, and I'll pretty much end the vlog over here. So the Kala Ghoda festival is really artistic, it is beautiful, and I really urge you guys to come and check this festival out. And if you have missed the festival of this year, because I might upload this vlog pretty late, and the reason behind is my exams are going on and I won't be getting time to edit it. So do check this festival out. You can come here via CST. That's it for this vlog. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, you can list them down in the comment section down below. I'd be happy to answer all your suggestions and queries. And thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.